Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's March 14 and it's afternoon. We're going to Pattaya Park and we're just waiting for the taxi right now. So let's go. No? Go please.
Pattaya Park. Shaira, you can choose what better for you. What you think? This one? Or cabin? Or this one? So what you think? Georgi want same.
What? Like she go there and then she go fall down?
Yes.
No, I don't want.
But need, Shaira, need.
You go. Try.
Okay. So we're going to the tower.
Yes. So I have 600 here. That's 300 per head. 300 baht.
Go to up.
What? 300 baht for you go to tower observation area, and it's included skyway to
You can choose which.
yes, which one? There. So
Okay.
we will show.
Yes. Okay. Georgi will pay.
3 tickets to tower. Tower. Huh?
Only observation.
No, observation and go down.
Go
Yes.
down 500 baht for 1 2
500 already. So 300 for observation.
Yes.
So can I pay the
Police.
I did already.
It's scary or not? You want more? You can. We will wait here. Because I will not do that one because I have.
Shaira
level five.
afraid. She don't want. If you want, you can take camera and go to the tower. No
then
problem. We can wait you. you, Shaira?
No, I don't like.
Вот это я прямо от земли полностью от стула отрываюсь, полностью вообще. Полностью, вот я так вот это как держится, вот так и я.
So you don't want also? So we come back already to the central Pattaya. We will take taxi again. Guys, yes, hi everyone. I just want to say about this park. Very simple. I don't know. It's not interesting in this park. I've been in so many places before, in China, Hong Kong, everywhere, many park before. But this is very simple park and not interesting even for Shaira. Shaira been also in Hong Kong. She know
I've been in also in Philippines. It's
in
more
the
than-
Philippines she been. She said even in the Philippines more interesting park. So it's a simple park. We just lost time and lost money to traveling here. Money is okay, but lost time because we
For
long
this time I can go swim. already.
for this time yes she can swim, but park not
Not interesting.
interesting. No.
Yes, food interesting. The place it's interesting, but the park it's not
Yes,
interesting.
park it's old park. You can see this. Slowly. I compare this park. I think it's park same like in Shenzhen, windows of the world before. I've been many times. But this park is simple park. It's very old. Maybe for some people interesting, but not for us. We will go to eat, Shaira. Again, Terminal 21. Traffic. Oh, so many people in tuk-tuk.